Clara from Hemtic, and I'm sitting here with
Channing. Hey everyone.
we would like to introduce you to our DIY collection that we are launching next week, and today we will tell you about how to create this pumpkin string art.
Oh, that's so fun and it looks so colorful. So what comes in the bag?
What comes in the bag? It's gonna be your wooden board, your design, and your nails, your hemp twine, and you will also need your tapes, hammers, and scissors at home. And voila, you will be able to create this beautiful string art project today.
And just stay tuned because we'll go step by step to how to complete this pumpkin for Halloween.
Hello everyone, so we are about to start the string art video today, and
So I see this is what we start out with. Can you
Yeah.
tell me why it's not painted like this one yet?
because you will use your creativity and idea of what color you would like to paint this wooden board. The whole idea is that at this time we painted it to brown, but you can paint it to any color, so that gives you creativity in mind. After you got your board, you will need to get your design and tape it onto the wooden board with the tape. After you are done with that, you will need to start hammering your nails. As you can see here, we already hammered in some of the nails onto the board, and all the nails are included in the packet, as Channing can see that too. And I can just show you that these nails are not too big. You can just put them in onto the board and start nailing.
Oh, it's so simple.
Yeah, do you want to try one?
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, so basically anyone can do it, from preschooler to a elderly. So this is a super fun project, and you don't need to hammer too many times. Yeah, look, this is really easy.
It is. It's really simple, guys. I thought it'd be a little tough because the board looked thick,
Exactly.
but not at all.
Not at all. So basically, hammering in all these nails, that might take you a little time, but as you can see, here is your design. So now I am jumping onto the next board, which is kind of pre-nailed for our pumpkin. Oh, this is super fun.
Perfect.
And the way how you start is you get your 20-pound hemp twine and tie it onto one of the nails, and you can start stringing. So in this case, you will start stringing back and forth, and I am sure Channing can continue with that.
So I do have a question. Does it matter which nail you start on?
No, it does not matter, because as you can see, we have a sample. I was going in a counterclockwise direction, and any way you like it, you can go back and forth. You can get started in a spiral pattern. You can go in zigzag pattern. So it doesn't matter which way you will be going. What's important is at the end you are happy with your creation. And this is actually Channing's first time,
Yes,
right?
as you can see.
As you can see, but with any level, this is a beginner project, and this is a perfect project for your harvest celebration.
Yes, and it's fun. Right now, I'm focused to trying to see which design I want to create, but it's really relaxing.
Exactly.
Weaving.
This is like, exactly. You can take off your mind from anything you do, because you are only concentrated on this little project at hand. Because otherwise, it's not gonna work, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look at that. See, your design is different than mine, but that's perfectly fine. That's the fun of it. There is no pattern that I can tell you, because every pattern is in your mind.
I love
Yeah.
that. So it is. It's
Yeah.
completely your own design. It doesn't have to
Exactly.
be anything in particular.
No, it does not have to be anything particular. That's why it's a cool DIY.
Oh, I love this.
Yes.
So on average, how long would this take somebody?
I think probably it can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes depending on how complex you want to do it. And in our DIY packets, we will have several colors of this hemp twine, our 20-pound mini card hemp twine. Here I'm showing the 20-pound hemp spool, but we will have mini cards included. So, oh my God, look, you are going across. I like that.
This
Oh my
is
God, I almost
fun.
like it more than mine. So
This
I
is
bet if we sat down the next time around, you will come up with another design.
Yes.
Aren't you? This makes a perfect gift for anyone, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. This could be just any. If you're not making this Halloween for Thanksgiving, you can make it any color, and you can just have fun with it. Look at that. That's fantastic.
Yeah, I didn't think I would do that well, but I mean, I'm
Yeah.
actually a little surprised in myself.
Look at that. It's really
is
good.
fun.
This is fun.
Well,
And-
thank you so much for showing me how to do
Of
this.
course, most definitely. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Here we are back again with Channing.
Hey, everyone. So I finished my string art, first string art that I've ever done, and it wasn't too hard to learn. It took about 5 minutes, would you say, or less than?
Yeah, exactly. It looks like she's a pro. This was her first time, right?
It was, yes.
Exactly. So I'm super excited. So anyone can, if Channing can do it, anyone can do it.
Mhm. And I can't wait to put this as part of my harvest decorations. So
That
cute.
would be so awesome.
Yeah, thank you so
Yes,
much.
Voila. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and please don't forget to stay tuned to our website at hemptic.com. Also check us out our Instagram and Facebook, where you can purchase our DIY collection and create your next string art project.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for our next arts and crafts.